Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, question number 6 is that, and before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answer in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238, and so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Now the 6B question is explain the camera's functioning and its utility. Using the mobile camera available to you, take a minimum of 20 photographs of natural scenes, print them and neatly paste them on the chart paper and describe all the scenes. This question is taken from the lesson 20B and 26B, and you have to answer in the 500 words. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.